on our way to go see Grammy and Papa.
Papa?
Yes, Grammy and Papa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah. I did it.
Did it? All right. So, oh, there's a semi truck. Emmy, look. There's a truck right there. We've been trying to make the semi trucks honk. All right, you ready? Ready? Whoop. Do it. Do it. Oh, he looked at us. Oh, yay! He did it.
I did.
Was that so fun?
Yeah.
So,
Again.
you wanna, well, there's no semis anymore, but she loves making them honk. We showed her one time. It scared her the first time, but then she was like, I can. So now every time she sees a big semi, she wants to do it.
A train.
What?
A train.
A train?
Yeah.
There's no trains out here.
Okay. Let's get moving. Daddy.
There's no trucks around.
Daddy.
Sure.
Daddy.
Sure.
Okay. A train. I did it.
I don't see a train. You're making stuff up.
Yeah.
You're so silly.
They're trucks, Ellie, they're semis.
Okay, you see the one up here?
Up here.
Alright, we're gonna try to make him honk, okay? You ready? Well, we're not quite there yet, but we're gonna make him honk, the big one. Yes. Are you excited? Does that make you happy?
Yeah.
When they honk? When they go honk, honk? Alright. Are you ready?
Daddy.
Do it! Do it! Honk, 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 honk. You did not see us.
Aw.
He was looking the other way. Oh well. So Emmy. Was it cold out when we left this morning? It was super cold. There's no semi trucks around.
Daddy.
Sure.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Oh. You're silly.
Daddy.
Sure.
Daddy.
Yes.
Okay.
Honk, honk, honk. Oh, shoot. I missed it, Emmy.
Yay!
Oh. Emmy.
Oh, in Florida.
We're leaving Florida.
Where are we?
Yay! Leaving Florida.
Yay!
Emmy, look. Ready? Ready? Go up and down like this. Go. Do it. Honk. Keep doing it. Honk.
See? No, it didn't happen, you little nut.
We have one. Huh?
I heard a honk.
Oh, you did? Woohoo! Yay! He honked. We didn't hear it. We were
Daddy.
Oh.
That's okay. Go with it.
Yeah, we'll pretend it was. All right, Emmy.
Well, watch
Hold
it in
on.
a second.
We have one more. Look. All right, ready?
Honk.
Start it. Do it. Honk.
No, we didn't do it. I heard a honk.
I
Okay. Daddy.
Are they just not looking at you?
Hold on, and look. Do it. Honk. Did you hear it, Emmy?
Yeah!
Yes.
Let's get it again.
Alright, we gotta wait till we're passing him.
Daddy.
Ready? Look at us. He's talking to somebody over the honk. He is texting and driving. No, none of them honked yet. Alright, let's do this one, okay? You ready? You got it? Do it. Honk. Oh, he's switching lanes.
So you can try it.
Yeah! He looked at us and he started to do it. I didn't hear it though.
No, maybe you can hear it.
Your car? Alright, we're gonna do it with this guy right here, okay? Alright, you ready? Start doing it. Do it, Em. Do it.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, he's not paying attention.
Well, I don't want to be the only one doing it because I'm here. You did it!
Look. You ready? Guess truck drivers just aren't looking for that anymore. Yeah, he's free. How cold is it out there?
Get a
It's pretty cold.
20-piece chicken fingers.
It's not bitter cold. But we are at Zaxby's because we can't find a Chick-fil-A. We can't find anything.
It's
and this is like,
$1.40.
there's a McDonald's and a Zaxby's out here.
Mama,
That's it. What? There's,
Is the window down? Is the window down?
Yeah.
So, Evan, grilled chicken tenders.
yes please.
What kind of sauce?
Zaxby's.
Oh, ow! I just cracked my
back. I want Zaxby's. Wait, no. I want
grilled chicken sandwich.
I want Zaxby's sauce too. Oh, he's so sweet.
Are we getting French fries?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are so cute.
Okay, I want a grilled chicken.
Are we almost to Grammy and Papa's?
Papa?
Yeah. Emmy. Are you a monkey? No.
Look and see if you see any buffaloes.
Are you a buffalo?
No.
Oh.
They're all eating one.
What? Buffalo! There were lots of them.
What are you doing?
Excited. Run! Hey, Emmy. Are you happy to be going to bed? Just trying to do what I was doing. Oh my goodness, so excited. So excited to go to bed. You're gonna slip. Emmy. Oh my goodness.
Do you want to spin? Do you spin?
Wow,
Watch this,
Emmy.
watch this, Emmy. Emmy, watch.
Hey, Emmy, can you come here real quick? Come here. Come here. Can you hold on? I'll twirl after you say bye bye. Can you say bye bye to the camera? Bye. Bye, camera. Bye. Say see you in the next one.
She's excited to go to bed.
See you in the next one. Oh, actually, I need to end it with, even though today wasn't a very eventful day, we have an eventful day, hopefully, tomorrow. We have chance of snow tomorrow and Friday, and it's a lot of snow. So it'll be Emmy's first time seeing snow, and Evan's killing herself over here by dancing. So you're going to possibly see snow. I know, is she dancing? You want to dance with her? So hopefully, I'm really, really hoping that everyone can see snow. Oh my goodness. Okay, hey. Okay, now you can say bye-bye.
Hey, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you next one. Oh, giving hugs. Oh, so sweet.
Bye.